Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna make this amazing scrunchie which you can wear with or without ribbon. So without wasting any of our further time, let's begin. So in order to make hair scrunchie, you're gonna need is any hair tie and a fabric piece. My fabric piece measures about 16 by 4 inches. You can go for any measurement as per requirements, and also a needle and a thread. And then you're gonna place your hair tie and fabric piece like this, and make sure to place the side which gonna show up inside, because we're gonna turn it inside out, so automatically the side which gonna show up will come out. And then just start swinging all the way along. So here I'm done sewing, and now what you are supposed to do is just turn the inside out, and the beautiful fabric which you choose is gonna show up. And now with the one remaining open part, we're gonna do is put one end into the other, and then again start sewing as we did before. And here we are done with a beautiful scrunchie, and I am loving it. It's looking amazing. This is the first time I tried making a scrunchie and I kind of succeeded. So you also have to try this out. And yeah, okay, so you want to turn your simple scrunchie into a ribbon one. So you need to do is take again another fabric piece. So I choose a contrast with my scrunchie, and cut this in such a way I'm cutting here. So here we are done with cutting, and if you talk about its measurement, so from the top it's 10 centimeter in breadth, and from the middle it's 5 centimeter, and then again 10 centimeter, but its length is almost around 20 inches. Yeah. Now fold it in half and sew it from all the sides. Make sure to leave a little gap in the center, approximately 2 to 3 centimeters, because we're gonna turn it inside out through that space which we left. After turning it all inside out, then you are supposed to sew this space which we left and put this inside your scrunchie and tie a knot, and we are done. So here we are done with our ribbon scrunchie. You can wear it with or without ribbon. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.